here is why I am all in on Ethereum. Now, first off, I would like to start off by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not do what I do. Do your own due diligence. And this is just purely my opinion. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm not telling you to do it. So first off, let's get started by saying both Bitcoin and Ethereum are valuable. And there's also other tokens under the two big ones that I just mentioned that are valuable. But I see the most value personally with Ethereum just based off of the transactional need. You know, Bitcoin, yes, you can make transactions with it, obviously, but it's more of a digital gold. You know, only so much of it will be mined. We won't see the last coin mined in our lifetime. And so basically all that I'm getting at here is Ethereum, it's still a safe coin in my opinion compared to all of the other coins, and it goes up in value faster than Bitcoin. As we saw back here, back before this huge bull run, Ethereum went up 2,300% roughly, and Bitcoin only went like 800 to 1,000%. So, I mean, just based off of that alone, I'm immediately thinking, okay, Ethereum overperformed Bitcoin by double almost, roughly. These are rough numbers. If you want to dive into the chart yourself, you're more than welcome to. But pretty much all I see here is that Ethereum has more value. There's even NFTs being, there's NFTs being used as collateral against a home. Mike Malak, friends with Logan Paul, his home is actually backed by an NFT. His $4 million Hollywood Hills mansion is backed by a $4 million NFT. Well, his NFT is not worth $4 million. There's no way. But it's used as collateral for the home mortgage loan, as well as the home itself, I'm assuming. So pretty much, I'm young, so I have plenty of time to make back my money if, let's say, Ethereum were to go to zero tomorrow. I don't think that will ever happen, but if it did, I'm plenty young. I can make this all this money back. Obviously, if I'm older, I'm not going to make this risky decision. I am very young. I am able to make this decision. You know, I'm only 23, so, you know, why not make a risky decision and have huge financial gain potentially? And honestly, I see it as more of a safe, risky investment, if that makes sense. I'm not buying like a load of NFTs, or I'm not investing in the rare fish market. You know what I mean? This is Ethereum. I'm sure we will be talking about this for decades and centuries to come. I don't know. But basically what I'm getting at here is, if this were to go to zero tomorrow, which obviously we all know that's probably not going to happen, but it could. Technically it could. Then oh well. Like, yes, it would suck, but I have plenty of time to make that money back. Like, it's not a huge deal. So yeah, that's basically, I just see the upside way more than outweighs the downside, in my opinion. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to do this. That's my opinion on the situation in the market right now. And just because, look at how oversold we are from previous all-time highs. I've heard people talk about, $10,000 Ethereum, which sounds absolutely nuts. But, if that happens, I would have a lot of money at that point. Like, that would be insane. And so why not just shoot my shot for a risky investment? I have plenty of time to make back the money. If something were to go wrong, God forbid, hopefully it doesn't, but it could. And so I've got plenty of time to make it back if it does go wrong. But anyway, this is a different video today, guys. Usually I do market updates and such, but tell me what you want to learn in the comments down below. Subscribe, hit the bell notification, hit the like if you find value in this video. And yeah, thanks for watching.